Let's do a TikTok dance.
No.
Welcome to a new series on my channel that I would like to call Anyone Can
Cook!
Oh my god. So as you guys know, I love cooking. I love being in the kitchen. I love just getting down and dirty in here.
Down and dirty.
Down and dirty in the kitchen. I thought it'd be fun to start a new challenge series where I bring people in my life into the kitchen. Cal is my first opponent because he lives here and he was free today. Obviously, I have the unfair advantage because I do cook a lot more than anybody else in my life. So to make this a little interesting, I thought we would have a plethora of ingredients in front of us that neither he or I know what they are. I'm going to be given only the measurements so I don't really f it up and put in like 3 cups of something when it's only supposed to be like half a cup or something, you know? Well, Cal is going to get all of the measurements and the directions so he can try and do that because he's not as good of a cook, you know? And the twist is neither of us actually know what we're making at all. I'm gonna start. Cal's gonna go put some headphones on so he doesn't hear what I'm doing. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you think you're gonna win?
You're going down.
No, I think I'm gonna win. We are now ready to reveal our ingredients. Cal, do the honors. Ooh! Ooh! Wait, just looking at this, do you already know what it is? Because I think I know what it is.
It seems to be a chicken dish.
I can tell. There is a chicken. We've got Doritos. We've got cheese, black beans, sour cream, taco seasoning, super sweet corn, cream of chicken, diced green chilies, diced tomatoes and green chilies, and then cilantro and a baking dish. I think we're ready to go. Are you ready? You're going down, bucko. It is my turn first. I will say, looking at these ingredients initially, the first thing that popped into my head is like some sort of 7-layer dip or so. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are like actual layers. So I think this is 7 layers. Somehow this other stuff gets mixed in. I'm not sure if the Doritos go on top or if this was like the dipping utensil. I've never made a 7-layer dip in my life before. I am presuming also we're going to bake it if it comes in a dish like this. I'm gonna set the oven. I feel like mostly all things are baked at 350. That's like the normal temperature, so we're gonna just go with that. Hopefully that's correct. First up, I think I need to shred the chicken, and for some reason I feel like the chickens need to like marinate together, so I think I'm gonna mix the chicken with the cream of chicken and then put it in, or do I mix the cream of chicken with the sour cream? Oh, I forgot I get ingredients! Oh my gosh, okay. Oh, so you need a whole package of the Doritos. I don't know if the Doritos are to dip or if it goes in the dip. I'm gonna go with you use it to dip, but I'm not sure if that's right. Whatever though, it'll be good either way. It's gonna taste better than Cal's. I'm going to shred up my chicken, which I actually do this quite often, so I am a pro at it. Cal has never done this. First up, I need to wash my hands because clean. I got my energy drink. This is not a White Claw, I promise. I'm gonna do equal parts dark meat and white meat to get some nice contrast of flavors. I'm gonna take off the skin because I feel like a 7-layer dip would not have chicken skin in it. I can't wait to see how much I did wrong. I'll come back when it's all shredded because this is gonna take me a minute. I hate cilantro. I heard it's a genetic thing if you hate cilantro. For me, it tastes like soap. Should I eat some right now? I wanna try. Please like this video for me doing this. This is awful. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I hate it. Ew! It's stuck in my mouth. We now have the shredded chicken. I am assuming this is 2.5 cups. I didn't measure it, but I think that's like almost the whole chicken. I think we can start layering, but I'm a little nervous. This is harder than I thought it would be. I'm gonna try and measure out 2.5 cups of chicken to make sure I have enough. Oh, I think it's exactly like 2.5 cups. Oh my God, amazing. So good. Over the weekend, I made a casserole. This casserole did have cream of chicken soup, which I don't know why suddenly I'm having so much cream of chicken soup in my life. Not complaining, but it is kind of gross. In the recipe that I made, the cream of chicken was blended with other things and the cheese and stuff. So I feel like I should add the cream of chicken to my chicken to make it all soupy and delicious, you know? I'm just gonna add this in and hope for the best. Look at this coagulated deliciousness. Ooh, I don't even wanna know the fat on this. Oh, not as bad as I was thinking. I'm gonna stir the cream of chicken in with my chicken. It looks gross, but it'll taste good. I'm gonna add the taco seasoning to this wet mixture. It says a tablespoon, but I don't really measure anything, so I'm just gonna eyeball that. Hope for the best. A true chef never measures. Oh, it smells really good. Do I spray nonstick cooking spray? You didn't give it to me, so I don't think I do. So, should I?
I don't know.
We're gonna do it. You're like, I'm gonna spray some cooking spray at the bottom. Never hurts anyone. Oh, it smells amazing. I've never had a 7-layer dip other than like the pre-made ones at Costco that like would show up at like a block party, like an Orange County block party. That's where 7-layer dip would thrive. Now I'm gonna strain the beans. No. I think the corn, corn goes next. Fun fact, you can strain a can like this. Pop it up a bit and then just right in there. Why waste a strainer, you know? Oh no, where does the chilies go? Shoot, maybe I should have put the chilies in with the chicken. Well, I'm gonna put the chilies next then. I'm gonna use this spoon to like sprinkle them on top. Now I'm gonna sprinkle on the corn. I like a lot of corn, so I'm gonna do a nice thick layer of this. Did it say a whole can? I'm not even reading the directions. Next up, I'm gonna do the beans. Ew, bean juice is gross. I think I'm gonna rinse these. I think I see the vegans rinsing them online. I'm gonna strain the beans out. Oh yeah, I feel good about this decision. Bada bean, bada boom. Thank you. I'll be here all day. I'm gonna spoon them on top. I think I need to bake this without the dairy and then add it on after, but then what if it's hot? Will it get all cooked after? What? I've put my tomatoes on top and my gut is telling me now to bake this and leave the sour cream and the cheese out, and then we'll add that on later once it's cooled a bit. So then it's not melted and it's just like a true 7-layer dip. I'm gonna put this in at 350 for like 15 minutes and then we'll come back and finish it off and see how wrong I've been. Okay, Google, set a timer for 15 minutes. Goodbye, my angel. I love you.
All right. It smells really good. Ooh.
I'm getting nervous now. I guess she's gonna be a very thin layer of sour cream. Now this is making me think maybe I was supposed to mix it in with something. It's all mixing together. You know, you eat with your eyes. We're just gonna make it look aesthetically beautiful on top. It'll just look so good. It tastes delicious. I think the heat from the beans really like went up, soaked down, spread her out. She looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna top with a nice thick layer of cheese to hide everything. Oh, I like that the cheese is staying not melted though. I like that texture, For my garnish, I'm gonna do my cilantro. Get some delicious, flavorful cilantro, chiffonade if you will. Little pop of green. I'm gonna be wild. I'm gonna take a little more taco seasoning. Add a little color, add a little spice, some pizzazz. We got a big bowl of nacho cheese Doritos that I think you use as your vessel for the dip, because why would they have me make a dip without chips? I'm sorry. This is my interpretation. Let's have Cal come in and see him mess it up.
All right, Miss Remy Ashton fan club. It is your president speaking. What do we got here? All right, I don't even know what we're making here. How's everyone doing today? I love the skin. Don't know if I should put it in here though.
That's pretty smart that you're putting it in the measuring cup. I didn't think to do that. I wasted a whole extra bowl.
I'm really sorry if I'm not speaking much. I'm very stressed. We got the election going on too.
Hopefully when this video comes out, this man is not our president. I'm pretty proud of myself for that one.
Nice.
Thank you.
Crushed chips.
Crushed chips? Say crushed chips?
Crushed chips.
Are you gonna be crushing your chips?
It says crush the chips.
Well,
350.
hell yeah, brother. 350.
There's so many things, so many cans. I'm not measuring this chicken. I'm gonna mess it up. It'd be really helpful if I know what I was freaking making. There's taco seasoning in this, and I low-key want to put tequila in here.
No, you don't get to put your own shit in.
Why not? I don't get to liven it up?
No.
Throw in some Cal pizzazz?
No.
That's lame. I just want to eat the chicken.
I want to eat the dip. I want to see how it tastes.
The what? Is it a dip?
I don't know, man. Could be.
Party for one. That's a Carly Rae song. I'm not only the president of the Miss Remy Ashton fan club.
Cal is the president of the Carly Rae Jepsen fan club. One time we went to a music festival and she was performing and I decided I didn't need to be there, so I went to go get food and the food truck guy was like, hey, it's gonna be 30 minutes. I was like, that's fine, Carly Rae is on. I can take 30 minutes. I leave for 30 minutes and I check my phone. I left both Cal and my best friend Ollie behind Ollie texts me after 30 minutes and says, hey Rem, are you okay? What's going on? Are you good? Like, it's been a while. And then I look, and Cal had also texted me, and all Cal said was, where the f are you, Carly Raison?
Carly Raison. Do you think I should leave all of the wetness from the beans?
I think so.
It just has a can of black beans, so I'm just gonna slap
And
it.
you just throw it in there.
Slap
Yeah,
it in there.
yeah.
She's
Just
because you,
slap
Cal.
it in there.
Do not ask her for advice, Cal.
One cilantro.
As
It says garnish with cilantro.
One cilantro.
Corn.
I love the corn juice. It really adds to the recipe, you know?
You're very funny. How do I strain this? I'm so good at this.
Why are you pouring it like that?
I wanna get the rest of that little liquid out.
Don't use your hands.
Ew.
What's next? You know, before I met Remy, all I would really make in the kitchen was quesadillas. Just cheese and tortillas, that's all I bought. How do you strain this stuff?
Is it telling you to strain the chilies?
No, it's just saying add the chilies.
Oh, you're just doing it because you want to?
I don't know, you're like yelling shit at me like, yes, I love liquids in my veggies.
I love a moist casserole.
You said dip.
Keep in mind, I don't know what it is either.
1 ounce tomatoes and green chilies.
Chilies. He says with flavor.
I like that.
Chilies.
Easy. God, it's like I don't even have to put in work.
Where does the cream of chicken go?
I don't know. It's saying just add it all this schlop into one bowl.
Ew.
All of it. Yes! 8 ounces of sour.
Oh my god.
It's a little liquidy, yeah. Are we just making like a soup? That's what good mac and cheese sounds like.
Macaroni in a pot. That's a wop.
Yeah!
Ew, that looks gross.
Oh yeah.
Do you put chips at the bottom?
Spread half the crushed chips into the bottom of the prepared baking dish.
I definitely did not do
I
that.
mean,
I think mine's gonna taste better.
nice whisper over there. I think mine is gonna taste better. Like that noise.
He touched Donald Trump.
I need to add cheese to this too. How did I not see? I am not keeping a clean workstation. It's just everywhere. You never have enough cheese. Look at that.
Ew! That looks disgusting.
It looks like throw up.
It really does. It just looks like straight vomit.
Chunky.
I want to know what this is called. I've never heard of this in my life.
Doritos, Locos,
Gross.
soup. Here we go. This beautiful painting of a dish. 20 minutes. God, easy. Oh my God, I just clapped some liquid in my eye. All right, now let's clean this up. What's up, gamers? It's almost time to take this out. Oh wow, look at that, 5 seconds. Oh my God, this looks awful. So bad. So we have our giant pile of mush. We have to spread more chips.
Ew.
I just want to know what this is called.
How appetizing.
I'm gonna call it. What do you think it's called, Cal?
It's like a Mexican dip.
But they
It's got
didn't.
beans and corn.
But they didn't give us
salsa.
anything to dip with. So I think it's like a casserole.
This is not a casserole.
I call it nacho cheese fiesta dip. What do you call it?
The Taco Bell registered trademark, Doritos Locos Taco registered trademark dip.
Do you bake it again?
For 5 to 7 minutes or until cheese is melted. Styling on them, look at this. I pride myself on my sprinkle distance. I got like mad sprinkle distance. Okay, Google, set a timer for 6.5 minutes. Boom.
This actually looks good. I like the one cilantro.
My garnish.
Do you want to see what mine
I
looks
can't
like?
wait.
Okay.
Mine's gonna look way better.
I don't think so. First we have what I interpreted as the chip dip, and then dun 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 dun. I mean, it looks kind of similar. Not bad.
Did we find out now?
You didn't-
Like, what did we make?
What? Yeah. What did we make?
Doritos casserole.
It is a casserole. Well, you did it, so now you have to eat it. Get a spoon. I want to see whose is better. A Doritos casserole. We'll try it as the dip. Mmm.
Not bad.
Ooh, that bean. Now let's try a bite of your casserole. Ew, yours looks so much grosser than mine. Oh, look at that brown color. Mmm.
Did it even cook?
1, 2, 3. I don't want to eat it. Oh wait. Where'd it go?
Just tastes like slop.
My wonderful assistant Sarah is gonna come taste.
I love
your single garnish there.
Thank you, thank you. That's than the black bean juice.
Mine looks better though, you have to admit.
Yours looks way better.
It's good, right?
Good.
Not bad. The thing is, I had to let it sit for a while so it got cold. So if it were hot, it would have been better.
This one's really pretty.
It's pretty good.
I don't know, I can't really pick a winner because they're very similar.
Cal wins for recipe, I win for originality.
That's
Can we
what I
agree?
agree
Okay,
with.
that's what I agree. The first episode of Anyone Can Cook goes to the opponent. Woo!
Remy, 0.
Remy 0, Cal 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, Moana.